Welcome to Florida. Here I am at Three Forks Marsh Park. It is in the southern end of Brevard County, in Palm Bay. And it is a wetlands. Takes a lot of the drainage. Clouds are building, afternoon clouds. It's summertime, it is the beginning of August. Summertime and afternoon rains. We need them. Water's pretty low. We've had a few, not too bad. So far, we've had no tropical weather this season, which is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing mostly, but we could use the rain. It is August 11th, 2022. Some smoke going on out there. Something's burning. These are the boat ramps. I was here just the other day. Brevard County Sheriff's Department was in here putting their airboat in and heading out. Didn't get a chance to talk to them, so I don't know exactly what they were up to. But it looked like fun. Take a little walk out here onto this platform, onto the dock. A nice little setup here. Pardon my filming. I'm still learning. I'm working on it. If some of the sounds sound familiar, I used to shoot the Johnny Weissmuller Tarzan movies in Florida. Not right here, but in Florida. When I first moved down here, it was pretty interesting. I'm like, that sounds familiar. What is it? I don't know. Yeah. It's the Tarzan movies. And I don't exactly see, but I think that noise, I think that's a gallinal. But I don't see him. He's over there somewhere. Sorry about my filming. Apparently I'm looking at the scenery myself instead of looking at my camera and what I'm taking a picture of. I'll get better, really, I will. So, I was out here shooting a couple of times, but it's nice and quiet today, and I don't have, you can see the airboat runs down there. You can see down here, where they run down there. Yeah, I did some shooting out here the other day, and I may join this with the other stuff. But there's no wind today, and I do not have my mic setup. The mic I have didn't turn out to work, so I have to get a new one. So I'm just using the mic on the phone for now, so it is what it is. But just want to get some of these out. I've been filming. I'd like to get them out. Florida is a beautiful, beautiful place, and lots of wonderful things. And it's hot, and it's humid. But we do get the ocean breezes, which is nice. Unless it's a hurricane. Not quite as nice. Oh. Welcome to my channel. And I don't know if you can see, but all around me here, marsh, 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 and then Palm Bay. And marsh, and then farmland, and up towards, that's north, up towards Titusville where the Space Center is. And and out towards the Space Center, and points north and west out towards Orlando, south of Orlando, really, at this point. And here is Three Forks Conservation Area. If you want, you can freeze that and watch it. It goes all the way from the Indian River County boundary, which is just south of us here, up to 192 in Melbourne. It's a 52,000 acre conservation area. And a lovely place. Okay, so now I'm backing up, and then we're just gonna leave them alone and watch them do their thing. So, okay, let me get out of the way. So here he comes with his truck, and he's just gonna pull in there. Isn't it beautiful out here? Beautiful day. I've been out on the airboat. This is kind of in the rainy season, but we haven't had that much after. We get the afternoon rains, but this afternoon is just beautiful. And it's not even that humid because there's actually oxygen in the air. No pressure. You know what? I could just set this up and then they wouldn't have to worry about me standing here holding it. So let's just see if I can get this thing set up and just set it on my thing. There we go. Let's just set it up. So, let's see if we can get this set up correctly. have relatives down here that had airboats at one time. And I'm getting kind of... And there you go. Fantastic. Thank you for watching.